This is NVDA on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to show you the channel we're in for Monday. We ended the week at $460.18, down nearly 2.5%. The 52-week low, $108.13. The 52-week high, $502.66. We are right here to the north side, takes us back to the middle of the trend. And in this case, resistance at $469.28. Above that, at 2 standard deviations, takes us to roughly $490.61. At 3 standard deviations, roughly $501.34. And finally, at 4 standard deviations, $512.07. To the south side, negative 2 standard deviations takes us to roughly $448.34. A gap forms to the south side at $442.43. Negative 3 standard deviations is $437.48. And the gap closes out at $435.99. And negative 4 standard deviations is roughly $427.13. This is support, support, and support. Anytime we hit those lines, I anticipate a bounce as people buy the dip. And in this case up here, this is resistance, resistance, and another level of resistance. A take profit area, another take profit area, and another take profit area. And if we are here and we hit this line, this again is resistance. So I anticipate some choppiness in this area as we bounce to the upside or as we fall to the south side. The RSI is at 52 and it looks like it's curling up. I'm going to show you what this looks like on the daily time frame. It is going down at 55. On the weekly time frame, the RSI is oversold. And in this range, I always anticipate a pullback as people take their profits and they run. I use the RSI as support and resistance. And on the weekly, it appears the highest point we got to was 87, and the lowest on the weekly is 24. Let me show you what we look like on the monthly time frame. See how this starts to fall, bounce all over the place, but I do not anticipate the stock to continue to ride up in this level. That's just not possible. It needs to come back down, pull back before another possible leg up. So we are at 75 and turning down. I'm going to mark this out roughly at 70. And on the monthly, the highest it has ever gone is right here. So we hit 95. And let me bring this back to the daily time frame. On the daily, again, it's starting to turn down. We have not hit this area where it is overbought. And on the daily time frame, I know this is hard to see. To the north side takes us to roughly $512.67. To the south side on the daily takes us to the middle of the trend at $409.22. And if we are here, this would be support. And if we make it to this line, I will expect some choppiness. And obviously, if you want price action, go to the 1 minute, the 3 minute, or the 5 minute for faster price action. All right. This was the previous 1-year price target when I looked at it on June 19th. And that was at $444.76. And the target has been moved to now $640.71, which represents a 39% increase from where we are. On TradingView, it is considered a strong buy. The 1 year performance, we are up 173%. For the 3-month period, we're up 21%. And for the week, we are up nearly 8%. And that is a look at NVDA on the 5-minute time frame.